the gorgeous Gobbins coastal path today at Island Magee in County Antrim. The waves are crashing below us and the cliffs around us, well, they're home to Northern Ireland's only mainland colony of puffins.
Liam, we're hatted, we're booted, we've had a great safety demonstration, so I think we're going to cope well with the lovely walk ahead.
Yeah, but we're in danger of coping, Jane.
Coping in standard English, it obviously means something totally different in Ulster-Scots.
It's to manage, but when you say cope in Ulster-Scots, that means to fall over. That means to slip down. You would sometimes use it about coping a building or coping a wall. And if you're gymnastically inclined, you might do a forward roll, which in Ulster-Scots we call a cope carly.
Well, I think your cope carlying days are over, Liam, no harm to you.
You're a cheeky skitter.
So Liam, I've heard cope, but I've heard cope. Is there a difference? Is there a geographical difference to the use, or?
I don't think so. It varies from place to place. Cope and cope are totally interchangeable. They both mean the same thing, fall over. Sometimes when you've had a little bit too many fizzy waters, you might cope, but you can also cope.
Okay, well, hopefully we won't cope or cope, and we'll get this walk finished in one piece. See you next time.